Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live the high life of a global superstar? What kind of homes, cars, and jets does Taylor Swift own? And how does she manage to balance her career with such an extravagant lifestyle? Stay tuned as we unravel the opulent world of Taylor Swift. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating insights into the lives of the rich and famous. Early life and career. Taylor Swift, born in 1989 in West Reading, Pennsylvania, has become one of the most influential singers and songwriters of our time. As a child, she was passionate about horse riding and country music. By the age of 17, she released her first album, which quickly topped the charts. Since then, she has consistently produced hit singles like You Belong With Me, Shake It Off, Blank Space, Look What You Made Me Do, and Anti-Hero. Property in New York. Taylor Swift owns several impressive properties in New York. She once rented a historic 5,500 sq ft building built in 1912 for $39,500 a month. This property, which underwent recent renovations, is valued at around $18 million. It features 5 spacious bedrooms, 5 elegant bathrooms, a cozy living room, a modern kitchen, and an indoor swimming pool. In 2017, Taylor bought a 4-story house in New York for $18 million. The 5,200 sq ft property boasts a skylight in the living room, a sophisticated cinema room, a gym, a bar area, 4 bathrooms, and a master suite clad in wood for added comfort. Adjacent to this house, Taylor purchased 2 penthouse units and combined them into a massive 8,300 sq ft flat, retaining its historic 1880s architecture. The flat includes 10 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a beautiful kitchen, and a huge living space. This purchase cost her around $20 million. In 2018, she added another flat in the same area for $9.75 million, bringing her total real estate spending in New York to $47.7 million. Jets. Taylor Swift loves to travel in style. She once owned a Dassault Falcon 50, which she sold before social isolation began in the US. This jet, typically worth around $15 million, carried up to 9 passengers. She also owned a Dassault Falcon 900, which she sold for $44 million due to criticism over her air travel. Currently, Taylor uses a Dassault Falcon 7X, valued at approximately $54 million. This advanced jet can carry up to 16 passengers, providing both comfort and technology. Relationships. Taylor Swift's relationships often make headlines, as she famously writes songs about her ex-boyfriends. In 2008, she dated Joe Jonas briefly. She then dated Taylor Lautner, writing Back to December in his honor. Other notable relationships include John Mayer, Jake Gyllenhaal, Connor Kennedy, Harry Styles, and Calvin Harris. Her longest relationship was with actor Joe Alwyn, lasting from 2017 until 2023. Recently, she started dating NFL player Travis Kelce. Cars. Taylor Swift's car collection is both impressive and luxurious. She has been seen with various vehicles, including Chevrolet Silverado, $20,000; Lexus CT200E, $33,000; 1932 Chevrolet Cabriolet Convertible, $440,000; Volvo XC60, $48,000; Chevrolet Corvette C6, $56,000; Chevrolet Suburban, $59,000; Toyota Sequoia, $65,000; Cadillac Escalade, $90,000; Range Rover Vogue, $100,000; Chevrolet Chevelle SS Convertible, $115,000; Mercedes Maybach 560, $140,000; Porsche 911 Turbo, $160,000; Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG, $179,000; Audi R8, $180,000; Ferrari 458 Italia, $240,000. Mansions in Beverly Hills. Taylor Swift also owns properties in Beverly Hills, California. She once owned a 3,000 sq Bungalow with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, which she bought for $1.775 million and sold for $2.65 million in 2018. In 2011, she purchased a chalet-style residence on a 1.5-acre plot, featuring 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a guest house, and a tennis court. She sold this property in 2018 for $4 million. In 2015, Taylor bought an 11,000 sq ft mansion on nearly 2 acres. This property, built in the 1930s, has 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a formal dining room, a library with a fireplace, and a basketball and tennis court. She paid $25 million for it, and its current value exceeds $31 million. Other properties. Taylor Swift enjoys buying and selling properties across the globe. Her childhood home in Reading, Pennsylvania, a 3,500 sq ft Georgian colonial house, sold for $800,000 in 2022. She owns a luxurious 4,100 sq ft flat in Nashville, Tennessee, worth around $2 million. In Forest Hills, she owns a neoclassical house purchased for $2.5 million in 2011. She also resided in a property in Primrose Hill, London, valued at $8.3 million. Recent reports suggest she bought another mansion in London for $12.8 million. Taylor's holiday home in Westerly Village, Rhode Island, sits on a 250,000 sq ft plot and features an 11,000 sq ft mansion with an unusual swimming pool. She purchased it in 2013 for nearly $18 million. Business ventures. Taylor Swift is not only a successful singer, but also a savvy businesswoman. She has partnered with major brands like Coca-Cola Diet, Toyota, Sony, Keds, Apple Music, Disney Plus, and Amazon Music. She earns substantial income from her social media presence, with 82 million Instagram followers. Taylor has ventured into the film industry, producing soundtracks and acting in films like YACHTS. She owns a music video production company, directing her own videos like The Man and Cardigan. Her Eras Tour concert film grossed $261.5 million at the worldwide box office and another $75 million from streaming rights. Net worth. Taylor Swift's financial success is astounding. She has sold millions of albums and earned significant revenue from streaming platforms like Spotify. In 2023 alone, she made $13 million from Spotify. Forbes has named her the highest-paid musician in multiple years, with earnings of $170 million in 2016, $185 million in 2019, and $63.5 million in 2020. The Eras Tour has broken records, with profits exceeding $1 billion. Taylor Swift is now a billionaire, with a net worth of $1.1 billion, making her the only artist to achieve this solely from music. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the lives of your favorite celebrities. Thanks for watching.